guys, it's Keisha. I know it has been a minute, but I'm back, and this video is going to be about my lock texture and the braid pattern that I still have left after 4.5 years. So if you're new here, welcome. Just so you know, I started my Braidlocs with braids. If you want to learn more about that, check out my FAQ video. And I also retighten my roots every 2 months using the 3-point rotation. So if you want to learn more about that, you can check out my interlocking video. So that being said, if you guys want to see how this all looks on up close and personal, stay tuned.
So here I'm just going to do a quick length check. I apologize, I wasn't able to get all of my hair in the video, but I think you can see most of it. I think I'm about bra strap length now. Here's just a closer look of the texture from the back of my head. And here's a close-up of the ends. So here you can see that some of my ends are still loose and some are locked. They're all kind of just taking their own time. The back of my hair is mostly locked at the ends. Those I didn't have any trouble, and I believe most of my braid pattern is gone from the back as well. So here's just a closer look at the different sizes of my locks. All my locks have their own individual sizes and little quirks to them, but I don't mind it at all. I'm not gonna lie though, this is one of my skinnier locks that I worry about sometimes, but so far I have not lost any locks, so it seems to be doing okay. So here's a close-up look at the braid pattern that I still have left. So here you can see the difference between what is locked and what's still braided. A lot of my braided ends are loose enough to where I could unbraid the ends if I wanted to. So even though my locks are not perfect, I love them just the way they are because I put them in, I'm maintaining them, it's my work. So I'm pretty proud of how far I've come in 4.5 years. I think I did a pretty good job for someone that kind of just taught themselves how to do all this by researching on Google and YouTube. So here I decided to just grab one and measure how much braid I had left. So this one I had about 5 inches, a little bit like 5.5 inches of braid left. This one not so much, I had about 3 inches.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave your comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.